We're at my buddy John's yard today. There's definitely gold in this yard. I don't know about solid gold, but there's stuff that people overlook and overwalk and they don't pay attention to it. There's a lot of good stuff in here. Every time I come out here, there's little things that I find. This yard's been here since probably the early 60s, maybe the late 50s. And so much cool stuff. So let's go walk. And what I'm looking for today, so I'm looking for a service bed, but I don't know if this one is the one he was talking about. I think it is this green one, but it might be, it's not too bad. It's kind of cool. I have to build a new door for that one. God, it almost matches the truck, but I don't think the toolboxes are low enough. So I'm trying to get the boxes to lay on the ground. See how these are a little bit, these ones kind of come down. This one doesn't really have a, it's kind of straight, yeah. But I'll think about that one. I was gonna look at this camper too, but I wonder if my truck's probably gotta be here. It's just for SEMA, it's just to kind of give it kind of a look. You know, I mean, I don't really see myself like really staying in it. But, oh yeah, she looks pretty rough.
New pillow, sleeping bag, you're good.
Yeah, really. What else was there out here? I think this one might be a possibility. What I was thinking, and then I don't know if it's pretty freaking about ready to fall apart. It's got the look. That one's definitely got the look. It's just so freaking coming apart. That one's not too bad. I wonder if it's a dually. I'm sure it is. I'm wondering. She a single wheeler. I just got a bunch of shit on it. This was built into this thing, huh? Mm-hmm. It's weird. Race car hauler or something.
Yeah.
Put their car on here.
Like mass produce them.
What are you finding?
The yellow Nevada license plate.
A yellow one?
I've never seen that.
Oh, maybe it's school district. You know, I got a pocket tool.
Do you?
I don't know if it'll come off, but we can try. Probably
Thank you.
fell right out. You got two for
I got 2 for. Thank you.
79.
How cool is that?
See, I'll get sidetracked beyond here just looking at shit all day. Yeah, total squirrel out.
Yeah.
I don't know what's
Always do something new.
always great. That impact took a melt job, didn't it? Look at that. That's a good one too. Shit, some caught on fire out here. Wow. Wolverine. The shower kind of gave out in it. It rotted. But I don't know if I could fix it a little bit. I think this one's a little longer. So this is like probably more for like a crew cab, which would work better. That's why I remember this is the one that I was trying to think of that would work, but I'd have to get it and get working on it sooner than later. But I don't know how. Yeah, it's about 8 weeks probably. I mean, it's not too bad. You know, surprisingly the water hasn't drained around. You know, usually they rot around those. But it's been in the desert its whole life.
That helps.
So, I don't know. I think John down here wanted to give it to me to just get it out of here. But I'll talk to him about it and see what he wants to do with it. Because I think this one, I got to pull my tailgate off because it goes down past the tailgate, but it's big. And that's kind of what I was thinking, you know, it gives it that real.
Yeah, it's got some thickness.
You know, it's got some big to it here. You know, like.
This one looks like it's in the best shape out of all of those, for sure.
Yeah, that over there. I just that corner. Maybe this one too. They got drains in them. So here's the bathroom. The only problem with this old camper that I can see is that the no shit in it. What happened is it got water in here and it fell out. Might be able to fix that. But the bathroom needs it's actually got a pretty nice little bathroom. I think what I could do is, if I really wanted to use this thing, is redo all the walls and make it waterproof and make this a shower with a shower. But I mean, for right now, I think I could just get this thing up and going again. I mean, other than that, the floor don't feel bad. Let me look in here. Let's see what we got here. Probably the hot water heater down there. I don't know how good that fridge is. Feels a little warped. Be really careful with this shit. I don't know if that fridge will ever be good or not. Probably not. Sink's pretty nice. Got a whole AM radio. It's kind of cool. Be a lot of cleaning, but that big bed's nice, and we would probably have to find some way to put some air in this sucker. Yeah, I think we can make this work. See, this right here, you used to light that on fire, ran on gas. There's probably a gas line coming in here from somewhere. Yeah, right, like we would have that these days. Can you imagine? Everything's LED lights and batteries and shit. This is when you used to light that thing. Thing's old. I don't know what year it is. I'm gonna see if I can find the year. Good Sam's Club, official member. I'll still call that hotline and be like, hey man, we're coming in for the weekend. Look at this shit. Their own cell phone. Got your sister a curling iron. Ooh, we should go develop that.
Yeah.
We should develop that.
Yeah, that's happening.
Hell yeah, that's probably old family pictures, man. Or it might be some.
It might be.
Yeah, I was gonna say it might be some shit you don't want to see. No jacks. That's gonna be a biatch. Back corner's kind of rotted off, so we'll have to fix that back there. I wish it was on something I could drag it up with my winch, but if I could get right up underneath it, but I can't. It'll fall apart. Because realistically, I'm only going to use this like, I don't know. If I get a hitch on it, I'd pull my race car to the racetrack with it. I think it'd be cool. Door needs. What do we got going on with this door? That might need a little TLC. I think it'll look good at SEMA. I don't think there's anything gonna be there like that with that old camper on there.
Nope.
Well, I mean, I'll take the goddamn thing if I can figure out how to get it loaded. Yeah. Isn't that cool? Ever since I was a little kid, because I grew up on Pecos and Owens.
Oh yeah, we
Dude,
do too.
yeah.
Yeah, we were right there
We're on,
every day.
Oh yeah, yeah. I was on Perliter Street. I wonder what it cost a minute to fly one of those.
There you go. Eggs just went up again.
You got a forklift around here?
We had this fork, good.
We gotta do some work on it.
I'll do some work.
Let me see how long the forks are. That one's got a pallet. It's got pallets under it, but oh, do we need to air up a tire? All right, so we gotta turn the gas on. Put a little gas in it. The other key on. Got this little hot wire here, it looks like. All right, so I got my old camper, and if it don't fall off or fall apart between here and the shop, we'll be good to go. It's pretty old. It's been sitting in the desert for probably as long as I've been alive. I would say that thing's at least 50 years old. Being that it's that old, it's pretty fragile, and I'm gonna have to take it easy going home. But I think if I can kind of tighten some things up on it, detail it, clean it out, I think it'll look really good on my Power Wagon for SEMA this year. We're going to be in a lift booth, rotary lifts, so they want to put it on their lift and lift it in the air, and I thought, you know what, it'd look cool with an old camper, making it look just big and ugly in the middle of SEMA, because ugly is the new cool.